Hello friends, I hope you are great. In this part of the tutorials, we want to get acquainted with the excellent Shine plugin and use it together in a project, as well as how to track this effect. I hope you make the most of this tutorial. Let's get started. First, I make a composition the size of my video. Then I shorten my video time by using the split option. After that, I reduce the length of my composition timeline to match my video time. Then I go to the effects section and search for the shine effect and drag and drop it to my video control effect. We can use this small circle to change the center of our effect. I place this circle up and in the sunlight. As you can see, when the video camera shakes, the circle does not stay in place and moves around with the camera, which is a problem. To solve this problem, we have to track one point of our video. To do this, we must follow these steps. First, we create a null object, then I go to the tracking section. If this section does not exist for you, you can add it in the Windows menu, then I track the whole video. Follow the steps after the tracking process to record the tracking in the null object. Press the P key to open the position of null object. Then, by pressing the Alt key and clicking on the source point, the script section opens. Then we parent the source point with the position of null object. As you can see, our effect is tracked in a fixed location. You can also change the light intensity and aperture with these two options. In this section, you can also change the color of the effect. Also, you can use ready-made presets from this part. Here you can change the combination of this effect with the background. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and introduce it to your friends. Goodbye to another video.